Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this time around I'm finishing up the loft area. This is what it looks like before, and this is the finished shiplap. If you didn't see my last loft video where I added LED strip light, click on the upper right hand corner to check it out. For any of my projects, big or small, before I commit to it, I Photoshop everything first. So here's the mock-up of the shiplap that I'm going to do in this video. The reason why the black wall is at an angle is because I'm trying to match it with the angle of the street in the canvas picture. So it was always my intention to keep this picture here on this wall because I absolutely love New York. So I wanted the wall to complement the canvas. That's why I made the black wall slanted. And I always knew I was going to add some kind of wall texture to the white area on the left, so I decided to do some shiplap. And if you saw my last video where I used actual shiplap boards from Lowe's, I basically concluded that those boards were too expensive and I found a new material to shiplap with. And I have to give credit to this YouTube channel. They are called West Coast Wyns, where they use plywood to shiplap with. So check out their channel and their cool DIY videos. For this project, I got my 4x8 feet plywood at Dixieline for $20 per panel, and I had it cut down into smaller panels just so I can fit them into my small car, because I decided to buy a table saw to rip these into 4.5-inch planks. This saw was a very good investment. I'm not the type to spend money on expensive tools because shit, I don't know how long I'm going to be in this DIY mode for, so I really just need something that will get the job done. And I found this awesome table saw at Home Depot for $120. It's very easy to set up and use. As you can see here, it's compact, powerful, and it gets the job done. Once I have all my planks cut, I started with my 2 outer vertical pieces first because those are going to be my separation pieces for the hallway and for the black wall. Once those are up, I used the height of the hallway as a starting point because I was debating whether to frame the hallway or not. Because this is not a traditional shiplap plank, I had to use a leveler to make sure that the planks, or at least the first plank, is leveled. And to create a shiplap gap, I used tile spacer to space out my planks. The challenging part about this project was to cut each plank at an angle, and because it is not a straight wall, each plank has a different measurement. These plywood planks are 1/8 of an inch thick, so you can use wire nails and just hammer them in if you don't have a nail gun. Once all the planks are on, I started painting, and I should have used primer first before I paint, but of course me thinking it's a small area, I didn't need to. But if I were to use primer first, it would have saved me a couple coats or two. And also I was painting between the gaps, which I've learned later that I didn't need to because of the smooth roller that I used. The gaps would have been fine without painting them. Anyways, this is how it turned out. Now I actually don't want to put the New York canvas up anymore. The loft just looks so much bigger and airier without it, so I decided to put another black frame on the left side of the TV and actually marked the loft as officially completed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I have so many more projects coming with this plywood material, so don't forget to subscribe, and until the next video.